Okay, we will record it live. We'll record a potential train wreck live. This is the epitome of getting in the way of the falling knife. I thought I was super patient and may still turn out to be, but I wanted to show you how dangerous trading futures can be just within a matter of minutes. And when the emotions kick in and you begin to do the opposite of what you should do. And that's what I just did. As you can see, I'm up to 6 contracts. We got a cost basis of 68.12, two open orders, limit orders to sell. I'm actually going to probably sell one right before your very eyes. If we keep moving back up, which is what we want to do, doesn't mean it's not going to return to the scene of the crime down here of what it just wicked into another low of the day. In fact, let me take one off. Let's see, how high can we get here? Even though I'm selling this at a loss, I want to bring my cost basis down. And there we go again. Gonna have to do it on the phone, huh? I'm gonna do it on the phone. Limit sell one contract. We'll do it right where it's at. Okay, you just heard that, or maybe you heard that. So we sold one, or down to 5, cost basis down to 68.11, and this is what I would typically will do in managing a bad entry, which is what I've had. And I'll tell you why I entered, thinking that I was, of course, being very patient. Let's get another one off if we can, right? I got to do it on the phone again, remember? Yeah, let's see. I'd like to get it down to 4 contracts if we can right now. Love to do it though, above the cost basis there. So what did we go up to on that move? 68 68.12. Let's put it on for, even though we're dipping again. Dipping again. Okay, we're down to 08. Want it to come back to 12. There's our limit sell. We definitely don't want to see it. We don't want to see another lower low because that would really make my butt stink. But when this was knifing down and I just kept adding bad contracts to it, I got down to like over, I think I was down 3,300. So it's trying to make a comeback from there. We got screens to the left of me, screens to the right. Here I am stuck in the middle with myself. That's part of what you have to deal with when you are in a trade and your emotions are ramped up. So I got to bring the emotions down and now try to be mechanical to get this trade back into the green, which means, if we get back down here, my last contract purchase was 64.04. I would do that again if it comes back down to like 68.01, which I don't want to see that. I don't want to, because then the nerves get ramped up. What we want to see next is it to get back over our break even line, take out this contract, and then just keep rolling. So, see how volatile it is right now. We got a battle going on. Okay, we just took that out. We're down the 4 contracts at 68.10 now, and we have actually a green open P&L there, and we've moved our $3,300 loss. Now is making its way back to break even. At least that's our plan. That's our plan. And the reason that I got into it, let's see if I can show you during this volatility what I do so you can see I avoided all of this knifing down, which is, pat myself on the back for that. It came all the way down to my last level. I didn't even have one below it. It came down there, and I thought, okay, if we can, it's a 10-point move between these levels. So I thought, okay, we're all the way down here to the lowest that I had on the chart. If we can get back to 15 and reclaim that, then we should be heading back up the ladder, which it looks like we're trying to get back to 15 now. I just didn't wait long enough for that 15 to hold because I got, excited. That's what you do when you're a trader and you look like a hammer, everything's a nail, right? But no, it wasn't done. It returned to sender, even made a lower low all the way down here to what? 67.99. Hello. So that's why I ended up in that bad trade. I should have been implementing stop losses right away, but I just kept buying on the way down because it was moving so fast. And you want to be right. Your conviction is that I'm making the right trade here, so I got to be right. Let's see, 4 contracts. What did we go here on this move? We went up to what? Just about 14. Let's just I like to be under the big contracts. You can see a big one here, a big order. How many times are you going to click that and realize you have to be doing this on the phone? In fact, let's go like 1450 on the sell. See if we can't catch that. We're going to get it. Okay, 1450 on the board for a sell. Okay, just hit it. Now, 3 contracts at 6808. And oh, dang it, I had another one up there already. That's what I originally put on. Okay, so now we are back up. Do we have another limit sell? Looks like we do at 21. So if we want to let the last 2 contracts work, or do we want to make sure it's green? Well, we'll just watch it now, because if we can reclaim 15, we're definitely going to 20, 21. But again, there it goes. It hit its head on 15 and started to go down. Okay, I just wanted to get on here and record this live with you. Let's just put in here. Let's put in a circuit breaker just to protect ourselves. I mean, I think it would still go red here, though, wouldn't it? Because, of course, my fear is you get stopped out and it just goes right back up. So, do we want to take a little loss just to try to protect that? Thinking out loud, talking out loud. Okay. All right, we got a stop loss at 09. Don't want it to hit before we make some actual dollar bills. Okay, come on. Hold the 15 and then head to 20. You could do it. Might take one. No, let's just leave it on. Might take a little loss or make a little money. That's the plan on this particular trade. If we get triggered at 09, we'll lose, I think, about a couple hundred. If the trade works out like it should, which is to take off above, take out these these recent highs, not, and then get back to VWAP would be a minimum thought here. 68.35. Do I have the patience to let it go there, or will it go there prior to taking me out at 09? That is the question. No, leave it at 21. Because it's either going to hold 15 here and then head up, or it's going to go down and take out my stop loss, and then we'll just live to trade another day after being down 3,300 on this particular a bad trade. What else is going on? Is silver still up? It is. Oh, it's up even more. Whoa. Okay, so our open silver trade is now, what was it yesterday? Like 20 in the low 20s, I think. Got all the way down to like, okay, keep it going. Yes, keep it going. We're up. It's up to 68.17, need 21. So yeah, our silver position is up 56%. Currently on the year, we're at 666. That has to change. We got to get up to at least 667 here. 41.5%. Hello. Come on, ES. Don't give up 15 again. Then you'll stop me out. So you saw, if you didn't watch yesterday's video, you saw I closed a losing trade on Monday, which was from Friday right there. And then we had a good day yesterday, putting 4,400 on the board, just strictly trading S&P 500 futures. So, yep, see, yep, get up there, get on up. Still fighting that 15. You see that? We're at 68, 14, 75 now. We get this and hold it. It's going to 24. And I got one at 21. Then I would move my stop loss up aggressively just to feel, to get that, lock in that first winning trade of the day without trying to get too greedy, because that happens a lot in trading, because you start, win Lambo, right? You want to get that Lamborghini, and then in the meantime, your winning trade goes to a loser. A loser. Come on, you could do it. I think you're trying now. I think we have reclaimed that 15. Don't speak too soon, Barty Bart boy. There's 15 again. All right, this is getting boring for you. So I just wanted to let you know where we are currently and the emotions that go into contributing to a bad trade. And then when I'm in a bad trade, how do I manage my way out, which I don't think I explained properly. But for instance, I told you my lowest purchase was 6404 or 6804, right? And then you saw me sell it at 6810. Even though it's a loss overall, it is a winning one contract trade that then helps me get my uh, work on my cost basis, get it down as we still have the same thesis. Oh, you're going to try to come at me? Don't come at me, bro. Nope. Don't do it because I know you'll try to stop me out and go right back up. Moving it down 50 cents. You won't be able to confirm it though, will you? Hold on. Now we're in a bad position. We are in a bad position. Bear with me. Hold on. Get this out of the way. Okay, have we successfully moved it down? And okay, now we're at 6809, and I'm sitting here with a bunch of other guys too. You see the 93 orders, 94 orders on there. But it'd be great if it did make its turnaround here and not take me out. If it does, then I'll be looking to get in a little lower, if lower if possible. Right there. All right, so let's get rid of the one open contract there. And now we're okay. We got out at 9. It's going down more. Will it return all the way to sender? And it looks like it's going to try to do so. All right, so I'm going to be watching this down here, this level here. If it gets all the way back down to 02, I'll definitely be adding a contract. In fact, we'll put one in at 0225. You coming all the way down or no? What you going to do? What are you going to do? It's trying to stop here, isn't it? 0375. What do you say? 0375, 0275. I may not get either one before it goes back up, but we shall see. So that's what I got for you right now. Like, subscribe, comment, share with a lovable friend, and I'll see you in the next video.